Mumbai, also known as Bombay, is one of the most populous and biggest cities of Maharashtra. Mumbai is also popular for entertainment and financial capital. The heart of Mumbai has some of the best and beautiful colonial architecture. You will also come across several distinct bazaars, temples, fancy restaurants. There are several attractions in Mumbai. So today I will be guiding you with 3-night 4 days tour plan for Mumbai. You can reach Mumbai by both train and air. By train you have to get down at Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus. By air you have to reach Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja International Airport, Mumbai. If you reach by flight in early morning, then you can start your tour on that day only. Once you reach Mumbai, check into your hotel, take some rest, and after lunch go out for the Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is one of the India's most unique landmarks of Mumbai. The gateway overlooks the Mumbai harbour bordered by the Arabian Sea. You can visit the monument at any time of the day. You can try the famous saffron tea or kesar tea from the tea stall over there. The famous Taj Hotel is just behind the Gateway of India. It's a heritage 5-star luxury hotel. In the evening, visit to Marine Drive. Marine Drive is situated on reclaimed land facing west-southwest. Marine Drive is also known as Queen's Necklace when it's viewed at night from the elevated point anywhere along the drive. The street light resembles a string of pearl in a necklace. You can enjoy the evening with cool breeze or try delicious vada pav near the walkway and chowpatty. After that, you can also visit the Taraporwala Aquarium. It's a big aquarium over 100 species of marine and freshwater fish and underwater creatures, including turtles, sharks, and coral from Lakshadweep Island. Entry fee for this museum is 60 rupees per adult and 30 rupees for students. You can book the ticket through online also. From Marine Drive, you can go to Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus. Its evening view is just amazing. You can also visit BMC building nearby, just in front of Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus. The V-shaped building houses the civic body that governs the city of Mumbai. After this, come back to your hotel and overnight stay at hotel. Day 2. Early morning start for Elephanta Cave. Elephanta Cave is tucked away in a desolate island called Gharapuri, 10 km east of the Gateway of India. Total 7 caves are there with different sculptures. To get to Elephanta Island, you need to take a ferry from Gateway of India. Ferry charges around 150 for two-way trip. It's an hour journey across the bay towards Mumbai harbour. From there, you have to avail a toy train charges 10 rupees per person to reach the cave. You can indulge yourself in some souvenir shopping if you want. Spend some time over there and then come back to Gateway of India and book a cab and go to Bandra Sea Face and then Bandra Bandstand. It's a 1.2 km long walkway along the sea. In front of the sea band, you can also visit Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's and Salman Khan's house. After this, visit Bandra Fort. It's also known as Casella de Agoda. The fort was built by Portuguese. The fort offers a panoramic view of Arabian Sea. Next, go to Bandra Worli Sea Link. It's a bridge that links Bandra in the western suburbs of Mumbai with world. It's 5.6 km long, a great place to spend leisure time. You can visit Mukesh Ambani's home just near Worli Sea Link. Cab cost for this whole day tour will be 1500 to 2000 rupees. Day 3. Early morning, within 6 to 6:30 am, reach Marine Drive to experience the stunning beauty of the sea. Then book a cab and go to Mahalakshmi Temple. It's one of the most famous temples in Mahalakshmi area. The compound of this temple contains several stalls that sell flowers, garlands for worship and offering. Then move ahead to Haji Ali Dargah. It's a mosque and dargah located on the islet of the coast of Orly. Then go to Dadar Siddhivinayak temple. It's a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Sri Ganesh. The exterior of the temple consists of a dome which is lit up with multiple colors in the evening and keep changing. After this, move ahead to Sanjay Gandhi National Park. It's also known as Borivali National Park. With an area of 103 square kilometer, Sanjay Gandhi National Park is one of the largest park in Mumbai and Asia's most visited park. The park is a home of 250 species of birds, 40 species of mammals, 78 species of reptiles and amphibians and a lot of butterfly species. Entry fee of this park is 64 rupees per person. After this, you can go to Juhu beach and spend some time with cold drink and coconut water. You can also go to visit Amitabh Bachchan's Jalsa house nearby. Cab cost for the entire day will be 1500 to 2000 rupees. If you want, you can explore Mumbai's monorail, Kanhari Caves, Mumbai Film City and Powai Lake also. If you are planning for a budget trip to Mumbai, then you can avoid booking cabs. The whole Mumbai city can be explored by train. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.